Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.